Hey, if you want to get dynamic island on your POCO M6 Pro, let me show you how you can actually get this feature on this smartphone. So first of all, I'm gonna get rid of this application that actually allows me to use this function. And now we will have to go into the Google Play Store. Now from the search, we have to select the dynamic island. There it is, and we have to get actually this application, the dynamic island, from this developer. So click to install, and now you will have to wait for the downloading process. It's quite quick, and we have to open by clicking here. Now that's the welcome screen of this application. Click next, and from here we have to select permissions. So select apps. From this screen we have to select this application, the dynamic spot. Click on the switcher, then just go back. Do the same for the notification access. Find dynamic spot, click on this notifications, click right here, wait for a few seconds and accept it, and then we will go forward. There we go. Next we can find draw on the screen, select no restrictions, and do this one more time. Click next. From here go to the downloaded apps, select dynamic spot and click on the switcher to turn it on, then tap right here and click OK. After this few seconds disappear. There we go. Now click done, and as you can see, that's the example how this dynamic notification looks like. So that's how you will receive your notifications, and also you can customize it. For example, you can pick, when we go, for example, just now it's not right here. So when we click skip, we can actually go for some general settings, like for example, we can show in the foreground, we can show in the landscape. We can also pick the automatic time, so it will actually like turns off after 10 seconds. You can expand after a single tap. You can open application, hide pop-up, clear notifications. When you go for the position or appearance, you can actually show as a notch. Add background, you can change the color of it. So when I pick to the yellow, for example, now I can play it, and that's the different color. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.